So I think we've got that. Oh, here we are. Hey, wasn't ready for that. Welcome to the pregame. And if you notice, there's a gray cloud over my head because it's raining outside and the wind is blowing. And I'm not sure if this broadcast is actually going to make it to the end, but we'll see. If the power goes out, the power goes out. What can you do? All right, here we go. It's day 15. Day trading is risky, so make sure you have a backup power system. How about that? So you get caught in a trade. I have actually had that happen on a couple occasions where I was in a trade and the power went out. And there was nothing quite as exciting as that. So day 15, I am up $5,343. Just up and away. I can still remember back here when I first started, I was like, man, I'm struggling. I had this nice big day and then we're just pulling back and just really just struggling. And since then, it's just been boom, straight through the roof. Or in day trading or the stock world will say to the moon, if there is such a thing as that. So good morning. And here's a look at the gap scan. That's not the gap scan. I always do that. Go away. Let me go get it here. It's hiding way down here. All right, there we go. Okay, so today is a September 12th in the simulator. It's 6:25. I'll go ahead and I'll push play. And again, with that one, VTY X is at the top of the scan, gapping up 52%. And I've got that one right here. It's been consolidating for a while. I've also got INM. This is the second leading gapper right there. And I had to go all the way down to here to get another one that was halfway decent, IFBD, but I still don't really like it. That's all we got for now. So with less than 5 minutes to go, we can take a look at these and kind of try to break them down. Higher price stock here. Okay, so one thing I'm looking at is the hourly time frame. See this red candle with the upper wick? I would expect more consolidation before we turn around. Probability wise, I would expect this to drop a little further. So I'm going to keep that in mind before taking any trades. What is the low here? The low of the last hourly candle is right there at 34.76. So we'll watch that level. Didn't really put in any support levels on the way up. Maybe something there, maybe something here. I don't know. That I would want to trade it way down there. I don't think I would. INM stepping up. We have us an uptrend on the 5-minute time frame. Nice consolidation and breakout. The higher low and a higher high. And another little higher low. And a higher high on some pretty good volume. Sometimes a volume spike like that can mark the top. The temporary top. So anything above, as it stands right now, anything above 1365 is a higher low. As we consolidate here, bulls looking for a higher low, but we're getting a little extended overall. Look at the larger time frame. Had this high yesterday right here, 1325. So you can see where we tried to get above it here, and then we were playing off of that level a couple of times. Okay. I think that's it for INM. That's all I'm going to mark out. And IFBD consolidating. It needs to get back above the VWAP with some good volume before I'm interested in it. We've got some good bearish volume here. We'll see what that looks like after a while. So a minute and a half to go till the opening bell. Zoom in a little here. And I'm not saying on VTX or VTYX that we're not going to see a bounce. I mean, surely we'll probably see a bounce here. Let's see something real quick. Yeah. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to have a little bounce before that hourly candle comes back down and breaks the low of the last hourly candle. Nice volume coming into it here. Decreasing volume on the pullback, increasing volume on the way up. We got to be mindful there was a breakout here and it failed. $40 is the line in the sand up there. Close to 40. Okay. Nice entry potential here at $15. Nothing that I can do. All right. Here we go. So there's that bounce follow through on VTYX. First thing. Nice breakout above 36.95. We'll call it 37. A little stronger looking than I thought initially. But let's see now if it rolls over or do we find strength. Let's see the candles on that. Wow, big range on those candles. On VTYX. I might try it here. It's holding that $37 level. I was hoping it wouldn't break just yet like that. So I'll give it a shot. Looks like the charts are frozen. For a second they were. And this wick, I don't believe that. It's not real. A&M, I'm buying off of the VWAP. If you'll notice, I took the loss on VTYX, took myself out of the trade for a $100 loss. I didn't want to go down 200 on it. And then I sold early, excuse me, I sold early here on INM to book some profit. So now I'm going to kind of sit tight and wait a little bit. I don't like the 5-minute candle on INM right now. I'm not sure here about VTYX on this pullback. See IFBD trying, but I don't like it. It's not very good volume. There we go. So there's the drop now. I want to watch, excuse me, I want to watch this level at $15. If we can get back over that on this candle, and we've got 2 more minutes to do it. Jumping into VYTX for a possible move back up. So far, INM VWAP is holding. Small profit there on VTYX. Not wanting to hold it. Change my stop loss. It was a little wide. So let's see what we get here on the next candle, right here on INM. Okay, I'm going to jump in it there. Sell, and I'm out. I'm out just like that. So my reason for getting in there is because you saw the bear break. Boy, I really want to jump back in it too. Jumping in for a break through the high. Oh, I sold it. I was profitable, but dang. Just gonna hold it for a bit, see if he can get back up there. Yeah, when I sold it, I was up like 200 bucks, but then she dropped down on me. There we go. That was nice. That was a big move. Big move. I'm watching VTYX. I want to sell it, but I'm holding it just for a little bit here. I want to see if it can break. There we go. Okay, I'm selling it right there. All right. I was in 3 times on it, and I sold everything all at once. Just trying to get back to green on it, that's all. Okay, so what I was saying, my reason for taking this trade, and I kind of botched this whole thing. I should have held some of this for the break through the high. Get rid of this line. So we had that break through the high. That's a notable level. So what we did here was, you saw the breakout, and then I said if we get back over 15, I'm going to be interested in this. Because we tried to break, couldn't do it, came back down. And then the bears continued to push down. This candle was red on the 5-minute. But they couldn't get any further than that. And so in the next candle, it was the last 1-minute candle in this 5-minute candle. We were still red at the time. I said if this candle breaks over that one, that is a signal to buy. Because you had a sideways range, a failure here, bears took over but couldn't do it. That's a bullish sign. Now here we come back down again, testing this pivot point right here. That's an entry point for me. I got in late. See, I got in way too late on that. So, and my stop loss is too tight, so I'm going to widen my stop out. I kind of like VTYX here. Inside bar in the 5-minute, we have an equilibrium, but I'm not going to jump in it yet. I'm going to look for it to drop a little more first. If it doesn't, then I'll just miss the trade altogether. Let's get rid of this line here. Click on it, get rid of that. So I want to see a drop. That's a little choppy for an EQ. I'm not sure I want to see a drop anymore. What time is it? Okay. Yeah, boy, I don't know that I trust a breakout on that. So I really expected to see a bounce off of 15 here on INM. Okay, so what I'm looking for here on VTYX is an equilibrium. You have an inside bar on the 5-minute. So an inside bar on a larger time frame is an equilibrium on the smaller time frame, which is what you have here. You have the high, the low, a lower high, I was looking for a higher low right here. Instead, we went sideways, and then we got this little lower high. So we have chop. It's choppy. It's an equilibrium that's choppy, a little harder to play, and it could be a sign that the bears are going to take over here. Now, if I was feeling it, I would jump in right there, as that being a higher low, possibly. We want to hold this support. So now we're going to bounce off the VWAP down here, huh? On INM. Strong looking bounce. Bulls need to get over 1623. Anything above 1420 is a higher low. Failing right there. We've seen this before with this stock. Breaks out and fails and then turns around and goes back up. So if we can break 1537, I might be interested. Nice bounce off of that support on BTYX. What time is it? Oh, yeah. In about 30 seconds, if this candle is red like this, I'm no longer interested in INM. And we may have a third inside bar on the 5 minute on BTYX. I'm kind of wondering if I should buy the breakout over 37.89. I'm worried about a false breakout. Well, INM looking a little like it wanted to be strong there. Yeah, it's got to get over 1623 if I'm ever even going to be interested. Let's see here. BTYX. I'll take a stab at it right here. It is a little choppy. I'm risking $104 for 117 per trade. But I'm only in once. If I get stopped out here, this will be my last trade of the day, I believe. If it's a winner, I might try to trade a little more. I may try to add to it if it starts to break out. But again, I'm just not sure that I trust it. Especially that look that it's giving me right now. You might see a bounce on INM here, but I'm not expecting a move back up to that high of 1623. Bounce off the VWAP, though, would be an appropriate entry point. So here we go. BTYX going to attempt to make its move back up. Let's see if the bulls are stepping in. We need enough of them. Nope, not going to do it. From my perspective right now, it doesn't look like it's going to happen, but I'm going to hold on to this position and we'll see. See if the bulls can prove me wrong. Prove me wrong, bulls. But I think I'm going to get stopped out. INM is holding that VWAP, showing some strength. But I'd only be looking for a quick bounce. Okay, here comes BTYX trying to get down there and stop me out. Might bounce off the VWAP too, so it might stop me out and then go back up. Yeah, an IFBD just doing absolutely nothing. Don't even want to look at it. He's ugly. Oops, there goes my light. Get ready to jump back out of VTYX if it does make a move. I would be really surprised if it can get above 37 here. I like being surprised. Surprises are good. Come on, surprise me. Got my eyes closed. I'm acting like a weirdo in front of the camera. Surprise me. Oh, I don't know. I could sell right now and still be green on the stock. I'm going to get ready to sell it quick in case it does bounce here. That 5-minute candle is going to close in about 40 seconds. Okay, here comes a bounce, maybe. See if it gets back up there. I could sell it now. I'm going to wait and see if I get a little more. I don't know. What's going to give it to me? I'm going to get out. So I'm still green on the stock. I'm up $543, $544 on the day. So right now with INM and that big old 5-minute candle that was red, and VTYX trading sideways, I think it's kind of a bit of a waiting game. It's 6:45, so I've been at this for 15 minutes now. I could wait. I could sit here and wait and see if something happens. Or I could end the video and go eat lunch. Or at least avoid a power outage. Hear that wind whistling around out there. I'm expecting that move like that on INM. Totally expecting that. Yeah, I think these things are probably... Oh, there's a nice pullback opportunity right there. I can't help it. I'm gonna try it. I wanted it to go quicker than that, so I'm back out. I'm not gonna play around. It might just go here, but I wanted it to go right away. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna stop there. I'm up over 500, and I'm gonna quit before I end up giving back profits and dropping below 5. So this was my day today. This is going to put me up, I believe, over 6,000. Nope, not quite. That's okay. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow in the simulator, bright and early or late. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.